Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use multi-home tasks in Asana for collaboration. This feature lets you place the same task in multiple projects, making it incredibly useful when different teams need visibility on the same work without duplicating information. First, go ahead and open Asana and navigate to the project that contains the task you want to multi-home. Once you're in that project, click directly on the name of the task you want to share. This will open up the task details pane on the right side of your screen, where you'll be able to access all the configuration options for that specific task. Now that the task details pane is open, look for the projects field. This is where you'll see which project or projects the task currently belongs to. Right below that, you'll notice an Add to Projects button. Click on this button to begin the process of adding your task to additional projects. This is the key feature that enables multi-homing and allows the same task to live in multiple places simultaneously. A search bar will appear once you click Add to Projects. In this search bar, type the name of the other project where you want this task to appear. As you type, Asana will display a drop-down list of matching projects. Go ahead and select the desired project from that drop-down. The moment you select it, the task will be added to that project while maintaining all its existing details, including comments, attachments, and due dates. If you want to be even more organized, you can assign the task to a specific section within that newly added project. Simply click on the section drop-down that appears next to the newly added project in the task details pane and select the appropriate section. This helps keep your project structured and ensures the task appears exactly where it needs to be for your team to find it easily. Finally, take a moment to confirm that the task now appears in all the selected projects. You can do this by navigating to each project and verifying the task is there. The beauty of multi-homing is that any updates made to the task in one project will automatically sync across all projects it's added to, ensuring everyone stays on the same page without needing to duplicate effort or information. And that's how you use multi-home tasks in Asana for better collaboration across teams and projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.